Ka Maruti Suzuki kalsdangi ka jingrakhe ka ayom lekamen Christmas hakaba klala bandi adu shispa atli ki kali silerio ki batmai tanga po ka shisngi ka jingdi yakni ki kali lapanlong kum shibenta jong ka silerio Christmas Carnival hakaba kinongdi ki kali Maruti Suzuki hashlong kila shim yakni ka kam ka bakraw bandi shispa atli ki silerio ki batmai ka shisngi yakni ka lempung lapanlong ha fire brigade shlong hakaba ba medba lengdo ulampang ke yindorbar to ain kejela ulalong kumukongsan bat kawe ekalama ban pelait yakini gispa atli kikali ka kali silerio bathamai brang shupen mission kadi ka kali babam dunatam ke petrol nabaro kikali ha India bat kani ka kali kala kring shibun kinong thet namar kalong ka kali ka baitanat bar ki jingi ipu ipeng banashabar kilong bakat kum ka juk bamenta negito ki jing panwandur jum ka kali nashabar kini kita ki 3D lengba kini ki jing pan internet kani ka kali shisha ka kring ki khmat bat ka de ka kali ka banengkong ka download ya baro ha ka bedai bat ka jing shngain bat ka jing su banya.
It's a pleasure to be with you all here, and I would like to thank Abir, who's the regional manager of Maruti Suzuki India Limited, based in Guwahati, in the regional office. And thanks to Kongmanari and Balakia, also here, and all the dearest customers of Maruti for being here today, being one of the special day for all of us. And I would like to thank all the media friends from the print and the electronic as well, and to all the team of Rani Motors and Banari for making this a historical event. It is understood that today is a special day where there will be a special day for deliveries of about 100 cars in one day, and this also especially for one specific model, which is the new Celerio. So I would like to congratulate in advance to all those customers who have really valued Maruti and choose Celerio to be the model and the car for this Christmas celebration and for the new year 2022 as well. So once again, I would like to convey my best wishes to all the dearest customers and their families. Wish you all the best with the new car, and drive safe, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Hadu kata-kata baga Maruti kanle buram fi ki paiba ki bashim ya kanne ka Maruti ka bathi thumai mta ka Maruti hapo ka jingiram jong new branch manager kalale special ka kwa ban pediang buram fi ki dong thiet ya kine ki Maruti Celerio new Celerio te ka buk nang ini kasi ban pelai paiba chisen pelai la kumno kumba chispa atli tingi ada nangir kumba chispa ngut di customer di bansim ya kini kali thumai ingi scam ba fidan ke jiksania bahaya ke Maruti nakada dawi tidak banyak sya biham sim ban kerke ya kini ke Maruti yai up ban ya kini kesni ban pelai paiba te ka jing solo ya fibro paiba ki bamunjur bansim banyak kemen lang menta kesni te ngai ke burung ke advance Christmas TV kunjur Muslim Tumai kunjur koblesi bonai fibaro
in Meghalaya. This feat of 100 deliveries in a single day of one model is actually a unique achievement. Probably in across the country this has not been done. So we are making an attempt to create a record as well. and that too we are trying to create a record in the city of Shillong in Meghalaya. So this will be like one of its kind in India. So probably we are trying to break into some record books, which if it happens, then we'll be very happy and we'll be informing all our esteemed customers. And in Meghalaya, I'd like to inform you, Maruti Suzuki has a market share of 80%. It means out of every 100 cars sold in Meghalaya, 80 cars are sold from Maruti. So that's, again, it shows the confidence of the customer towards this brand. Because across India, the Maruti Suzuki market share is 43%. And in Northeast, it is only 50%. That means in Meghalaya, the brand pool of Maruti is strong because 3 of our dealers, Rani Motors Jelly Shop, Banalari, World Cars in Maulai, and Rani Motors in Moblai, they are creating happy customers and they are giving one of the best services in the country. So, and also, this is a very happy news I am going to share. The market share of Maruti in Meghalaya, which is 80%, is highest across the India. So, thank you so much. I would like to thank every customer from the bottom of my heart for patronizing this product and helping this brand to grow further. Thank you so much. Looking forward to enjoy the day with you all. Thank you so much.
बस करें